Alright, I got this in the mail today. It's from Audio Savings. I just wanted to try out something besides my door speakers that I've been using, which are the Kickers. I've been using them pretty much since I basically started driving. Here. Here's what I decided to pick up. And I'm hopefully going to put these in the stock door location, but I'm going to make a little adapter. Basically a piece of 1/4 inch MDF the size of a 6.5. Screw that down and then have the mounting hole for one of these. But yeah, let me get this in the center, open the box up. So you can see it's a nice big super tweet. These are the Zenith XT20s. As you can see, it's got a nice, it's a big magnet slug. Don't know if I'm going to use this little guy, because I'm going to have filters on my amps, and I have filters in my head unit. But that's what they look like. They're nice, heavy, sturdy. Everything's made out of aluminum instead of plastic, so hopefully that'll keep it from, I don't know the word I want to use, but not reverberation, but some of the tweeters with plastic have a little noise to them because they're plastic, but we're not going to worry about that because I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to explain. Let me get the other one out. Wonder where this is from. There's a random. This came with it, yet there's nothing on this thing that uses those, because these are all Allen wrench heads. But guess I'll find out something about that at some point. But here's the other one. Two of them. These, like I said, are just going to go in the doors. We'll see how they do. If I like them, they'll stay. If I don't, I'll figure something out. But let's move on to the truck. Okay, here is the truck as it sits. What I'm working on right now is it looks really bad right there. I'm just going to end up pulling the wires out for the second time and actually just cutting a hole out. Right here, and then grommeting the entire hole just to have it so I don't have to mess with it anymore ever again. And I can add new wire easily if I need to. So as we come inside here, you can see the 2x4s along the back. I still need to put one more down. That MDF over there is because when I got in that wreck, that got warped a little down there, so that 1/4 inch actually makes it flush. So the back's going to be nice and sturdy. That was the main reason for the pulling everything out. But while everything's out, I'm going to try and refine it where it can stay for good, or at least for a while. But yeah, look, it's a mess in here. But it's where all the wires come through. I'm going to have to pull them all out, sadly, again. But DC Audio Technics. It's a lot sturdier now, for sure. But yeah, nothing much going on. Like I said, I need to put the Super Tweets down in the doors. Still have the same console. I don't want to make this too long, so, you know. But yeah, everything's going smooth. Need to order my amp and then put everything back in and pretty much be how I wanted it.